Hey everyone, so if you need to contact me, please do not hesitate to send me a message. I am all too happy to answer your questions, give you information, or help you out. So that's what I'm here for. Just remember that if you purchase something or you download something, I might be on a different time zone than you, but normally I'm able to get a reply. Usually within 12 hours, but most of the time, always within 24 hours. So, one way you can contact me is via Creators Couture. If you look at the bottom of the page, I've got a little a little thing, a tab down here, Olar chat tab, and you can put your name, your email, and your message, and I can reply to you via that. It's quite easy. And then if I'm online, you can direct chat with me. Um, you can go to dailydesignables.com, go to your member dashboard, and you can use the help desk if you like to put in a ticket. And then down below, I'll also have an email address, so you can just simply email me. So, however you want to contact me, feel free, but don't hesitate to send me a message.